Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how you can insert WhatsApp logo in MS Word. So first, you need to head to this website, thepixabay.com, and in the search box type WhatsApp logo, hit enter. So you will see multiple image over here. So select which one you like. I have selected this one. Click on that and then go to the download and select the resolution of the image. I'll select the 1280 into 1280 PNG. Click on the download. So save the image to the desktop. Now go back to the Word, go to the insert, click on the picture and click on this device. Go to the desktop and select the WhatsApp logo, click insert. So here you can resize it. You can drag the mouse by dragging this white point and resize it. Or you can go to the picture format or select the size 2 by 2. Moreover, when you try to move it, it is not moving. So for this you need to click on this layout option and select the square. And now you can move it easily on the Word document to anywhere. So this way you can easily insert WhatsApp logo in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.